Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. Aussie researchers are using silk from silkworms to repair damaged eardrums. The device they created is called a clear drum. It resembles a contact lens, yet it's a device which the patient's cells readily grow upon. Very carefully, the sticky substance on the silk, called sericin, is removed. It's the protein in the silk, fibroin, that's heated into a liquid and combined with glycerol and polyurethane to create a scaffold which looks like a contact lens. The clear drum device mimics a human eardrum. The cells, called keratinocytes, thrive and migrate across the scaffold, which helps heal a damaged eardrum. Silkworm silk is strong and flexible with excellent acoustic properties. The eardrum experiences marked pressure changes, and implants in this region are very tricky in terms of working and staying put long term. The clear drum device is placed under the eardrum in one operation. Hooray for silkworms, nature, and innovation. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be bashful. Come on to drreese.com, DRREESE.com, and click on that donate button. And while you're there, pick yourself up any number of splendid books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, and life. The wonder of it all. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.